All right, Texting Factory is another website that accepts freelancers from around the world. For those who are interested to text, you're just texting, nothing more. Your work is just to text. All right, so what do they expect? Become a chat operator to do. Application process is very simple. It will only take you not more than 5 minutes. So your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn money, an average of 300 US dollar weekly, is only minutes away. The application takes only a few minutes, and we are always in need of chat operators on our team. So I'm clicking on that button. All right, we're going to talk about it later on. So the job as a chat operator, you will need answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kind of topics. You'll be assigned different roles depending on what your customer wants. Some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life, small talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationship. Your identity will not be known by customer because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting to. Depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns between $50 and $300 a week. This can also be a lot more if you are willing to go the extra mile. We supply bonuses when you write a lot of messages and extra extensions on weekend and red days. So what they guarantee: no video call, no calling, no video call. You work anytime, anywhere, as much as you want. No qualification necessary is needed. You are given support 24 hours, 7 days a week. Start application process is very easy. They want you to apply with your real name, okay? So make sure you put your real names as they appear in your ID. So the real names, your first name, your last name, email address, and of course you agree to the terms and the condition, and click on application button, okay? Now, here we are, apply right now. I will contact you by email within 48 hours. Our coaches will answer all your questions, so you learn. We offer you an online training in which we show you the platform and prepare you for the independent work from home chat. After training, you can work wherever you want. Our platform is always open, and our support team is at your disposal 24 hours, 7 days a week. An online workplace. We give you the opportunity to plan your own time and workload. You are your own boss, okay? The advantages of working with them is as follow. You are your own boss. You work from anywhere as long as you have a stable internet connection and you have a laptop with you. You get weekly wages. You determine how much you're going to earn. Remember, the more text messages the more text messages you answer, the more money you end up being paid. So you decide what your weekly paycheck should look like. Your ambition and hard work determines what you will earn. Part-time or full-time is up to you. It's up to you how much you want to work. As a freelancer, you can tailor workload to your needs. Remember, you are your own boss. They will not follow you up and down. No, they wouldn't. Okay, so what you need to know before applying: you need to be fluent in English. As you will be writing text to native English speakers, you must know how to write English fluently. We will do a basic test to check your level of English as part of application process. You need to have a laptop and a PC. Why? In order to be effective as a chat operator, you need to have this access: a laptop and either a laptop or computer yeah, because those are the things which they need. Of course, you do not need to have prior experience, so they're not going to ask you for any CV, anything like that. No, they'll train you, okay? Then the other thing which they need from you, you must be 18 years old and above. Why? We do not accept minors to work on the chat platform. As part of the application process, you will be asked to prove your age. You will need reliable internet connection. All work is done online, connected via the internet. The more stable your internet connection is, the better your experience will be working as a chat operator. You will work as a freelancer. As a chat agent, you are self-employed. We will assist you in setting up how to receive payments for your work. All payments are done weekly through a reputable online payment provider. And most likely, you as a freelancer, you need to have a PayPal account because that's what you're going to use most likely to receive money every time you're getting paid. So this is very important. You need an updated personal ID. Why? An important part of the application process is the ID verification check. Why do we ask for your personal ID? When you apply for a job at our company, we need to check that you are who you say you are. We do this for three main reasons. Why? To check if you're 18 years old and above, to prevent fraud, to confirm your identity so that we can process payment to the right person. We do this by using an external service to check the ID. When everything is checked and verified correctly, we will allow you to proceed with the application. To ensure this process runs smoothly, please sign up using the name as it appears on your ID. So here are testimonials of what other freelancers are saying about this website. For example, we have Steven. Steven is saying, by working as a chat operator, you can freely schedule your day. This is huge, especially for me who became a father last year. I can work during the afternoon when my little son is sleeping and spending the remaining money on other living expenses, which is very helpful. It's true. All right, another one who's saying here, Sophia, she's a freelancer here on Text Factory. She's saying, the main reason I like Texting Factory is that I can work flexibly. Work and study can be easily combined in ways no other job could. If you're busy before an exam, you can always take a break from work. This is my favorite way of working. So there is also Isabella. She's saying, I work at least 1 or 2 hours every night. I'm currently traveling around alone in Europe, so it's perfect to have an office in my backpack. I am very happy now and my possibilities are endless. I strongly recommend Texting Factory if you're looking for a flexible job while traveling. So if you're interested, please go and join them immediately. Apply. Application process won't take more than 5 minutes. It's free of charge. Just follow the instructions and voila, you'll be able to work for them. If you find this video to be useful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, first drop your comments.